Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create digital arts with OpenArt. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, open your web browser and head to openart.ai. If you are already a registered user, simply log in to access your customized dashboard. Now, click on Create from Scratch. On the left side of the screen, you will find a prompt field where you can input your creative idea. For instance, let's say you want to create monkey house on top of a tree digital art. You can also use a negative prompt if you'd like. Once you have set your prompt, click Create. Now, wait for OpenArt to work its magic. And lo and behold, your digital art piece is generated. Click on the image to view it more closely. It's as simple as that. Your creativity comes to life with just a prompt. Explore endless possibilities and create stunning digital art with OpenArt. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.